I think Target was even better than already pretty positive expectations going into the quarter. What was pretty amazing, I think, though, about their comp was that historical, that high, the highest in the last 13 years, is that it was all driven by traffic. So it's pretty amazing when you think about e-com and the role of e-com in everyone's lives, that they are driving traffic incrementally to the store. And it's very positive because it means that their online sales aren't necessarily cannibalizing their in-store sales. And so I think that's a big reason why you're seeing the stock trade higher today.
And how can we tell if that's a sustainable trend? Does it seem as if it's kind of a quick payoff on some investments, whether it's in home goods or something like that? Or do you think that this is just, I guess, getting the customer re-engaged?
I think the customer is re-engaging. It's a little hard to say, but we've heard from enough companies now that you are seeing this theme that comps are better and the customer is stronger. And I do think it's about the macro for Target, but I also think it's a lot of what they're doing right. They've had a lot of successful brand launches this year. They've had a lot of success from market share gains, but they've also had a lot of success in terms of talking to the customer and how they're conveying value. So I think all of those points wrapped up is really what's driving the better results that are probably sustainable.
Given some of those points that Kate was just talking about, the weather's been good, the tax cuts are really helping the group, the macroeconomic environment is good. Brian Cornell's never seen a U.S. consumer in stronger shape. How then do you distinguish which ones have the best execution going on right now?
Yeah, I mean, it's a good question. I think that and Kate actually brought up the best metric to look at. It's traffic. It's consumers getting in their car and physically driving to a store. That's a difficult thing to do and accomplish in a digital world where we can easily just go to Amazon. So when you see a retailer with positive traffic, that tends to indicate that they're relevant. What Target's doing right now is putting up traffic numbers that are out of the realm of even understanding. I mean, we haven't seen, Target themselves says this is the best traffic result that they've had since they started reporting traffic results 13 years ago. My whole career.
What is it, the food section? I go there for baby products. I think they've really beefed that up.
They definitely have, and they're good at that. They actually talked about home being a big driver. They had almost a 10% comp in home. Almost every product category is strong at Target. So it's not just one thing that they're relying on here. They're relying on the gravitas of being good at multiple things to actually get you to get over that hump of you getting in the car and going to the store. If they were only good at one thing, you probably wouldn't go to the store.